OpenAI dropped something today that I want to cover immediately. Codex Mobile, available right now on your phone. Your AI coding agent is no longer tied to your desk. While Codex runs on your computer, building, fixing, testing, you can monitor it, approve its decisions, and redirect it from anywhere around the world. Today, what Codex Mobile actually is, how to set it up in 2 minutes, 5 real use cases, and the 2 other features that dropped alongside it. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Most important thing to understand first, you are not coding on your phone. Codex still runs on your computer, your laptop, a Mac Mini, or a remote environment. Your phone is the control panel. The computer is where the work happens. Your files, credentials, and local setup never leave your machine. Updates flow to your phone through a secure relay layer. No files on your phone. No direct internet exposure. What your phone can do: see all active Codex threads in real time, review outputs, screenshots, terminal output, diffs, and test results, approve or reject commands Codex is about to execute, change the model Codex is using mid-session, add new context or redirect the task. Start a completely new task from scratch, all possible from your phone. OpenAI's words, a fully featured mobile experience, not a companion app, not a viewer, a full control surface. The problem it solves: Codex can run tasks for hours. That is the whole point. You set it off, you go do something else. The problem: Codex hits a decision point. 2 ways to rewrite a piece of legacy code. Which should it use? Before today, Codex would wait silently for hours until you sat back down. Now, your phone buzzes. You approve it in 10 seconds. Codex keeps going. A task that used to pause for hours now pauses just for 10 seconds. How to set it up? Just 2 minutes. Step 1. Update ChatGPT on your phone, iPad, or Android. Codex is inside ChatGPT, not a separate app. Step 2. Update the Codex app on your Mac. Don't have it? Download from OpenAI.com. Step number 3. Open Codex on your Mac. It shows a QR code. Open ChatGPT on your phone, go to Codex, scan the QR code. Connect it. Your phone is live with your Codex environment. Available on iPhone, iPad, Android. All supported regions. Available on all plans. Free, Go, Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. Windows to phone is coming soon as well. 5 real use cases. 1. Fix a production bug while you are at a coffee shop. Start the task from your phone. Codex works on your Mac. Approve the fix. Bug resolved before you finish your coffee. Number 2. Approve a decision mid-commute. Codex hits a decision point on the train home. Phone buzzes. You review both options. Tap approve. Codex continues. Refactor done by the time you get home. Number 3. Start something new while the idea is fresh. Walking, have an idea? Open ChatGPT. Start a new Codex task. Sit down later, the first version is already there. Number 4. Monitor a long-running build overnight. Check from your phone before bed. Green or need something, address it. Codex continues, wake up to a completed report. 5. Review before a client meeting. In the lobby, open Codex on your phone. Review this morning's build. redirect one last task. Walk in prepared. Two more features that launched alongside mobile today. Hooks, custom scripts that attach to Codex, block sensitive prompts, log messages for compliance, customize output per project. Works on prompts and responses, both directions. Available on all plans. Remote SSH. Codex connects to remote cloud development environments. Enterprise teams can now use Codex inside their managed environments. No moving the codebase to a local machine. Available on all plans. HIPAA compliant, enterprise only for now. One number from today's announcement. 4 million people now use Codex every week, up from 3 million people in April. 1 million new weekly users in 1 month. Codex Mobile. Launch today your AI coding agent in your pocket. Free for everyone. 2 minutes to set up the shift. Your agents keep working whether you are at your desk or not. The bottleneck was always the human having to sit down, approve, or redirect. That bottleneck is gone. Are you using Codex? And would mobile access change how you use it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. Subscribe for more plain English AI videos every single day. See you in the next one.